If you have not been following my channel, do well to click the like button and the notification bell for subsequent videos. This is how to convert base 2 to base 10 and vice versa. Okay, let's get right into it. To be converting base 10 to binary or base 2, don't forget base 2 is the same thing as binary. So we'll be looking at an example now. We are going to be converting 50 base 10 to base 2. Now let us look at 50 base 10 to be converted to base 2. Now in this example, we are going to rule a line of division and write 50 and put 2 at the front of it. We are going to say how many 2 can we see in 50. That will give us 25, remainder 0. Alright, then we will bring the 25 under the 50 and write 2 at the front of it and say how many 2 can we see in 25. That is 12, remainder 1. We will bring the 12 under the 25 and write 2 at the front of it and say how many 2 can we see in 12. That will give us 6, remainder 0. We will bring the 6 down under the 12 and write 2 at the front of it and say how many 2 can we see in 6. That will give us 3, remainder 0. Then we will bring the 3 under the 6 and write 2 at the front of it and say how many 2 can we see in 3. That will give us 1, remainder 1. And finally we bring the 1 under the 3 and write 2 at the front of it and say how many 2 can we see in 1. That is impossible. We write and write remainder 1 because that is the way we usually do it. Now when you answer, you will start from below, not from up, from below. So this answer will give us 1 1 0 0 1 0. Then we will write base 2 at the end of it. Now let us check if I is correct by converting this one that we have gotten to base 10. Right? Let's get right into it. Let us convert our answer to base 10. 1 1 0 0 1 0 base 2 to base 10. We are going to do this. Don't forget we have 6 different digits in this question. We will first of all select the first one and write 1 times 2 raised to power 5. The reason why we use raised to power 5 is because when we have chosen the first digit, it's remaining 5 digits. So it's going to be raised to power 5. We pick the second digit, that is 1 times 2 again, remaining 4 digits. It will be 2 raised to power 4. We will bracket them plus the next one is 0. We will say 0 times 2 raised to power the remaining digit, which is 3. We do it like that until we exhaust the digits and the remaining number is 1, which is going to be 1 times 2 raised to power 0 because we have exhausted all the digits. We now add everything together. Don't forget 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 32. We are going to write 32 plus 16. Alright? Plus any number multiplied by 0 is 0. That one is 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. And eventually we get to the last that gives us 2 because